So once again, I'm here to explain how to set up your calendar, ability buffers, and confederation reminders in Notify.io. So please go to calendar. So if you are in calendars, you need to go to ability. You need to go to the ability tab to set your workday. So you need to find the ability tab. So ability tab. So you need to go to ability tab. So we are here in ability tab. So if you are in the ability tab, it's the working hours, so we can see the working hours of the clients or the who book this. So this buffer timer become after appointment to avoid backup bookings, and under notification enable confirmation emails and SMS recording that automate to the contact before the appointment.